I think that one's gonna score, maybe. Maybe, I don't know. Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Cleveland, Ohio. This behind me is called Topgolf. Basically, it's a modified driving range that my buddy Tolle, who has been here through the whole Ohio experience, and Road Trip Rich, who's basically doing his first shot, have brought me to give it a try. So, never did it before, looking forward to making a fool of myself. So, we already got our tickets, already got our drinks. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. You got a point for that, Rich. Do come along. So Tolle is up there teeing off. Let's see how he does. Oh, he got a piece of that. Yes. Score. This is how it's done.
This one's for you, Sarah.
Oh boy! I think that went in. Points for days.
Not too shabby. Will it roll? I think that's gonna roll. I think it rolled in.
Shoot him again. See, this is what YouTubers who are not out creating content do to relax. So, although I'm creating content, but I'm not creating content. I don't know. Essentially, it is just like a normal driving course, except you can see there's targets out in the field. And when you get the ball on any one of these targets, you score well. See how that works? So it's sort of, like Tolle explained, it's like bowling meets golf. This is my first time doing it. It's actually a pretty fun game. Now the part you don't get to see is when I wake up tomorrow with that pain in my back. This could be a close one between Rich and Tolle. Can he do it? I have no idea how I pulled that one off, but I'm sure it was just beginner's luck. Or was it? What do you think? Should we put a little bit of money on it to make it interesting?
Yes.
No, we don't. I'm just kidding. Also remember, get a nice little chips and queso going on here, as if I need that. It's starting to coagulate. Oh yeah. So Tolle just had probably the best hit of his game, but he was still logged in as Rich when he did it.
He wins. We know why.
It's actually kind of cool to watch other YouTubers create content, and you see the kind of dedication that we actually get into to making these videos. So this is just what it looks like from the ground level, so you have an idea. Actually, pretty good. Pretty large, actually. Now it's a fierce competition of shuffleboard. So that's 3 points then?
I know, because you got one. No, that's two, because it's not all the way across the line. Now, if I would have had one here, and he didn't have one closer, I would have got both of these. If it had been like this, I would have just got points for that. Yeah.
I'm confused. I don't get it. Tolle's over there doing his outro right now. That's gonna do it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up down below. Share this video, tell your friends. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other videos. If you like them, please consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified of any future vlogs I put up. Till next time, signing off from Cleveland, Ohio. Bye-bye. Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Cleveland, Ohio. This behind me is called Topgolf. What is it called? Topgolf. Topgolf. All right. Take two. I need another drink. Topgolf. Okay. Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy. Other videos. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be oh no, I screwed that up. Oh. Alcohol. 3, 2, 1. What are you doing? You know, you're distracting me now.
Every time you say really, we're gonna drink.
Okay. For this outro, every time I say really, these guys are gonna take a drink. That's really gonna do it for this vlog, really. If you really, really, really enjoyed it, as much as I really enjoyed it, then really give me a big, big thumbs up down below. Really. 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 For real. Really. Really.
Camcorder.
Mine!
No way!
Shoot him again.